Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy colorful nails and nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and what I'm going to do is use different colors and just swipe them onto my nails. This is a really easy and simple nail design to do, and I've seen that a lot of people like these designs that I do, these kind of quick and easy ones, I guess because it's a really simple way to do a fun nail look. So I hope you like this one. I hope that I show you something quick and easy to do. Now I'm going to apply some black polish onto a nail stamp design. Now this plate is a no-name plate. I got it on Amazon, but I like the designs on it. I'm just going to apply it onto my nails. I have to say that this look just really came out really fun. It really came out really cute, and I just loved the finished look of it. Now, once I was done applying it onto my nails, I just removed the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. And then I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, if you like more videos like this, just tell me in the comment section. I'll create more of these kind of videos for you guys. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.